If you start client work before doing these three things, you're going to lose money. And the frustrating part, it has nothing to do with your skills. It happens before you've even delivered anything. Every one of these gets fixed before the project starts, not after it goes wrong. Here's how to catch all three with AI. Mia is a freelance web designer. A new client, Daniel, wants to get started. Here's what usually goes wrong, and the three prompts that fix it before day one. Mistake 1. No deposit collected upfront. Daniel says, let's get started. Mia does. No deposit. 3 weeks in, he goes quiet. She's out 3 weeks of work. Copy this into your AI, ChatGPT, Claude, or whatever you use. No deposit, no start date, that's the rule. Mistake 2. Scope not in writing. Daniel asked for a quick update to the homepage. No written scope, so when he kept adding pages and a logo redesign, Mia had nothing to point back to. Copy this into your AI. If it's not on the list, it's not included. In writing, every time. Mistake 3. No clear timeline. Daniel never got dates, just let's get started. No milestones, no end point. 6 weeks later, everyone's asking when it'll be finished, but nobody ever agreed on a finish date. Copy this into your AI. No timeline, no finish line. None of these fix a project that's already gone wrong. They stop it from going wrong in the first place. 3 prompts, 5 minutes before you ever start the work. So, deposit before you start, scope in writing, and a timeline with real milestones. 3 prompts and you're covered before day one. The prompts are in the description. Which of these 3 have you skipped before? Drop it in the comments. I might build the next video around it. If this was useful, subscribe. New systems for solo business owners every week.